Hello and welcome to our tutorial on product variants. Are you struggling with adding product variants to your mobile app? Having an elaborate product page with all the information related to your product variants makes it easy for your customers to make quicker buying decisions. With Swipecart, you can create product variants for text, color, or image depending on your requirement. How? Go to App Settings on your Swipecart dashboard. Select Product Variants. You can create any number of product variants for 3 types: text, color, image. Let's have a look at creating product variants using each type. 1. Text variant. Using this variant type, you can feed the variant information that contains the text. Now, choose the variant type as text. Click Add Tag. On the tab, enter the key and value. Here, we have added the key as short and value as S. Key is for your reference and value is what displays to your customers. Click Submit. Likewise, you can add multiple tags. Based on our example, you can add tags like medium and large. 2. Color variant. You can use this variant to show the different colors in which the product is available. Let's check out an example. Give a name for the title along with a name for the variant. Now, choose the variant type as color. Click Add Tag. On the tab, enter the key and value. Here, we have added the key as green and the value as green color. The key is for your indication and value is what displays to your customers. Click Submit. Likewise, you can add multiple tags. 3. Image variant. Using image variant, you can display the different designs, patterns, or any parameter whose variants you want to show in images. Add a name for the title along with a name for the variant. Now, choose the variant type as image. Click Add Tag. On the tab, enter the key and value. Here, we have added the key as sleeve and the value as an image. This image is uploaded from your computer and there are no limitations on the size of the image. The key is for your indication and value is what displays to your customers. Click Submit. Similarly, you can add multiple tags. Save the changes. Now, let's preview the changes. Navigate to App Design on your Swipecart dashboard. Select the preview icon on your current design. Scroll through the product detail page. You can see the different variants that you have created. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the updates on your mobile app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.